Anyway, I'm glad you're here. We have one of our eclectic, amazing artists who just is coming up next. And he's working on his latest creation from Dude Guitars. I think it's got like 3 guitars in one, but he builds these, so we're getting there. We're looking forward to James Nelson, and I have no idea what he's going to do, but it's going to be fun. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Chuck, you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Everybody, welcome to the stage, the Dude. say the words that I can't say.
Should we do another one? This is the MultiTasker. It's a short scale bass. Yes, short scale 28.5 inch, like super short scale. It's like a toy in that. Then we got shorter scale guitars, 24/6. And then we've got a short scale baritone, 27 inch. Yeah.
Well, there's nothing short about the music. That sounds awesome, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to Dude at the Day Ranch. I'm calling it that because we're not really going to be doing much guitar work and stuff. Well, I'll show you what I'm working on, but it's hotter than blazes out here right now in Southern California, and boy, the lighting here is terrible, isn't it? Oh, can you see my face? Maybe that's a good thing if you can't, but nonetheless, oh here, let's try this. How about a white reflector? Oh, that's better. Yeah, except that now it looks silly because I'm holding a roll of paper towels. But see how that does that? See how, look at my cheek. A little lesson for you on you guys ever setting up cameras. But anyway, I'm not going to worry about it because, again, it's not my face you tuned in for. At least I probably not. But I'm going to be working on this guitar, you know, since doing the Great Guitar Build-Off and stuff. Yeah, I've just been getting into just working straight on guitars, not doing any filming. It takes a lot to set up the cameras, as you could tell. Getting everything set up right and doing all that editing. I just want to just get back into getting some guitar done. I've got a lot of projects here. Let me show you what I'm doing here. This one is a JM7. So it's got that familiar body style that we all love, but this one actually has 7 strings. So I'm going to be putting in these bare knuckles. See, I marked it. I thought I did. That's neck. So anyways, I'll be putting in these bare knuckle pickups in later, getting that all wired up. I've got the neck that I'm working on. Well, here, I'll take you with me. So excuse all this mess. This is what I do when I got a lot of chemicals running back and forth. I've got towels and everything going. This has got last coat of True Oil on it. And this is the neck for what we're working on. That's just for the JM7. And let's show you the front of that baby. See if I could do that without... Isn't that pretty? So yeah, so that's going to be cool. It's got a little drip on there, so we'll be rubbing that down, getting that all polished up. This one's pretty much got urethane on the front, but we're doing the True Oil. I've got a little urethane on the back, but mostly True Oil on the back. And then that's going to give us a nice good feel. Solidifying it with a little bit of shellac, so a little bit of Beetlejuice in there as well. And just getting just really a good feel to it. It's still sticky. And what I do on these is to get that kind of just rubbed in really nice and smoothly is I use a little bit of mineral spirits. Now this is the earth-friendly mineral spirit, so it's not nearly as what's the word I'm looking for? Astringent. It doesn't really just rub the stuff off as well, which is actually a good thing. I've learned how to use it to my advantage that way. And then what I'm going to do is take a little bit of that. Once everything's all set, then you just kind of just rub it with one of these pads. And of course the True Oil bottle, you know, goes back to the old, back when guys used it for gun stock oil. I guess they still do, but it's got the age-old directions talk about using steel wool. Well, with good electric guitars, we kind of try to steer away from it, so we use these synthetic steel wools. That's synthetic wools? Anyway, that's not steel. And then that's pretty much it. Just rub that down real good. I think this thing was ready. And the good old paper towels, which as we know also works as a light reflector. Look at that. Isn't that something? And then I'll come back and I'm going to get that ebony all nice and oiled up. I'm saving that for last. Try to get everything else. So this week I hope to have that guitar all strung up and get you a sound demo. So that's in the works. I've also got some conversion necks in the works. I got one in the spray booth. I'll show you a little footage of that, of where I had this one in the spray booth, another one which is a Mimi, a 6-string Mimi baritone version. So it's going to be a Mimi B6, and that's going to be a beauty. So that's pretty much it on this. I'm just going to, again, kind of scuff up a little bit of the shine on that, even though, look at that, it's roasted maple. Isn't that gorgeous? It's gorgeous. So I hope you enjoy what we're doing here. I'm also giving you that sound demo of a live stage performance with the MultiTasker. I just had to do it. Had to prove it to myself more than anything that the thing can be used as a stage instrument. And so there you go. That's from the other night at Navajo Live Bar out here in La Mesa, California. It's in San Diego County, and it's a wonderful place. All right, so there you have it. That one's going to be spectacular. Whew. Anyway, so stick around and enjoy the footage. I hope you do. And come on back next week. I should have some really fun stuff. Most likely a demo on this one, and maybe even on the Mimi. We'll see how much work I can get done. And then we'll get back into doing the regular Day at the Dude Ranch stuff, where you're watching me build guitars from scratch. But right now, like I said, I just got to get caught up on these things, and video editing and shooting footage and all that stuff really takes time away, and it's not fair to my customers who are waiting for their guitars. All right, so I'll remind you at the end of this, but you know, it's the basic stuff. Please click like and hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Ring that bell to get more info, to come back and we'll notify you when the demo is ready for this. And what can I say? You know, leave comments. Tell me what it is you like to play when you hit the stage. You know, whether you do open mic or do a full band thing. You know, just let's talk guitars, man. All right, thanks a lot.
Who's getting higher?
You saw it here first, only in Navajo Live Open Mic. The dude, James Nelson, everybody. Woo! Give it up for James.
Thanks for indulging me.